Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. So today is July 19th and I thought I'll quickly record a video before I go to gym. So I was looking into the Nifty. It is dancing between plus and minus between 0.20, and there are stocks which are already up. A few stocks, one is VDL, um, HDIL and Bank of India. Also we have Bank of Baroda, which is moving good. So just seeing if I can calculate. Let's see, yesterday I think I didn't remove yesterday's fund 58,000. Let me just use 50,000 into 20 divided by, if I want to buy Bank India, then let me say 80.90, for example, 14,300 stocks. And if I want to buy this 120.50, for example, 9,600. So we have two options here. Let me say 14,000. So 1 rupee stock. So let me put 0.50. Okay. Exactly here, but and this didn't break. Looking at Vedanta, it's still in the same line. HDIL is not moving. Bank India's highest is 81. So let's buy it at 79.50. So we have taken it at 80.84 considering the volume, and we need to wait for some time. So once the stock moves up, I will record the video.
If you see, the stock price has gone up. I'm in the gym right now. So, exiting the stock. Profit of 13,878. Anyways, I'll continue before my gym trainer looks at me.
So I'm back from my gym. So anyways, we made a profit of 13,878. I didn't have enough time to explain you guys why I chose this stock, but after this video, I thought I'll tell you the reason, because if I keep telling the reason, then I cannot put the trade and the trade will move up. So in this case, what happened was Nifty was dancing, as you saw, between plus and minus, and during that time PSU was in the top. I mean, it was moving top. Okay, so because PSU was moving top, that is when I took the opportunity. Okay, in this area, if you see, it was morning, it was going up, so I took the opportunity to see PSU stocks, and in few I had like PNB and Bank India. All these stocks were moving, and in that Bank of Baroda also was there in the list. So that is what I was looking at, those stocks. But Bank India is a stock which went closer towards its high to break the high. That is when I entered into this stock at the price of 80.83, around 1036. and that is when I got ready and went to my gym. Then around 11:11 the stock price went to 82.3 or something. So that is when I looked at the charts, and it was not breaking that, so I immediately opened and recorded and exited the stock so that I can book my profit, whatever it is. So we made a profit of 13,000, and into the funds now. Our capital is 71,984. I didn't take that 8,000 of yesterday, so adding both, let's keep 900 in the account itself and let's take 21,000 out. It is not always safe to keep the money in your account, because 50,000, if 100% of your 50,000 goes any day, or it won't go in one single day, but I'm saying you, if it goes any day back to back, only 50,000 will go. But if you keep 70,000 and you build it up to 1 lakh, 2 lakh, all your profits, if you keep in one place, the same percentage will go. So 100% goes, your 1 lakh goes rather than 50,000. So again, take this money and put it into your account and create more backup capitals. Or else what I do is, after making 2-3 backup capitals, what I do is I take it and put it into few into mutual fund and few into long-term stocks. And very soon I'll be making videos on positional trading. Like, I'm not an expert right now, but even I am practicing that. But once I get few ideas, definitely, as you know, I will share the ideas with you guys. So let me also experiment positional trading, so that in long term the small stocks which I buy today will go in higher. Considering that these profits, I'm just investing, do or die, I'm just investing in positional trading so that I can build my own assets. Anyways, if you like such videos, please hit that like button and subscribe button to support us. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.